Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Farenve, but in this section this is Farenve Edit, and we're talking about the VN editor. Well, this app I feel is very powerful. It's free and it's also very powerful. It's used for TikTok also, but it can be used for your vlogs too. So we definitely will go into the new project and we'll pick any video of our choice to edit, and I will be running through every single thing you need on this particular app, so don't go anywhere. I just tapped on the template icon there. I wanted to see what was supposed to be there, but there is no template, and we'll create another one. And there's a filter template also, but you can create your filter, which I would do if you ask for it. I would definitely do that. So you can see that in the VN video editor app there's so much potential. There are several filters that you could use for your vlogs so that they won't look boring. Mine is kind of looking, because I'm in a plain background, so the filters won't really show as much, but I think these filters would be useful for maybe travel vlogs. Yes, so I think VN filters, check, very good filters for travel vlogs, not for sitting in one place. So the next thing I'm going to try out is speed, and there's either the curve or the regular type of speed where you can just adjust really quickly. And it really, yes, the speed, yes, is very effective, especially on this app. It's very effective. This is not a paid promotion. I just really like VN because it's very easy to use for me. I like the app, plus it's completely free. So there's the adjust right next to filter. You could add the exposure, vibrance, saturation, brightness and of your video. And that's the split is the scissors icon right there. You can split, and then immediately wherever you are, it's going to split. And this is the transition. Once you split it, you see a pencil icon, and once you click on it, you see several transitions. I feel like the transitions in VN are so professional. I really like the transitions here. I mean, for an app that is completely and totally free, no watermark, no need to pay anything, these are very good, guys. So good, you won't even believe it. So I'm testing out every transition to see how they go, and it actually really blew my mind. I am so excited about it. Really nice. So you could cut your videos using the trim icon, and this is the effect icon, and there it shows FX, FX. Literally there are several zoom in, zoom out, slide left, slide right. So good, the effects are so good. You can add some little drama to your videos and make your videos fun and interesting. I really like the effects in this app, and that's the BG. It's not really necessary at this point. You can add your video volume. How cool is that? You can add your video volume and it's going to be so loud. I really like this app. I think what's making me like this app is the fact that it is so free. So right now we're rotating the videos, and if you want to reverse it, obviously, because I didn't really have time for some time, what, just go, you can just reverse it. You can, those two things there that look like turning things, they can reverse your video. So when you've done something and you don't like it, you could just go right back. As you can see, I'm clicking to go back or forward. You could click it to go any way you want, in case you missed a step or you want to go back to one. So I'm showing you how to use the flip, how to use the mirror, how to use rotate, and all of that. So right now we're going to be adding a sticker That's one of the cool things about this app. You can add a sticker literally. And now this is keyframe, so I'm not really going to discuss keyframes. I use a keyframe to make that video move. I'm not really going to discuss keyframes right now. You can see it's moving. If you really want to know how keyframes work, please let me know in the comment section. I will do an entire video showing you how good this app can be when it's time. So you could, you know, have an in animation, an out animation, a loop animation. It's really cool, very cool. So maybe you could use the eraser app to create your sticker and just paste it in here. Really convenient, guys, very convenient. I'm just trying to show you the very powerful effect of the chroma. The chroma effect on VN is literally like everything. So I just downloaded a green screen effect and I used it with the chroma here, and it actually looks very realistic. I think this is a very poor choice of video. I would definitely do another video if you ask for it. So I'm going to maybe pick another green screen effect, maybe a woman dancing, to make it very, very interesting. Aha, there we are. It's very powerful. So you can see that it's almost literally real. But and if you want to add an animated excuse my English, an animated subscribe button, this is the app for you, because you could just go into the chroma key and just remove the green screen, and there you have it. That's really nice. There you have it. So we're just going to increase the intensity, and it looks really blended into the app. It looks really blended. So let me know if you want another tutorial on the VN app. There's so much you can do with this app. This app is so powerful and it's still so free. So we're going to add a text now, and there are different formats of text, so we're just trying that out. I'm going to put emotion to our test. So you want to add music, just click on the music icon and you would see a place to add music. You could record, you could, you know, add your own music. So we're going to just pick a font, and definitely we're going to pick the color. So I just went with that color for the sake of this tutorial. So let's see how it works with, yes, and the transition too, yes. So let's play the video to see how it worked. That is almost perfect for something that is so free. It's very perfect, very, very perfect, very professional. Let's go over it again. Look at our woman giving us moves. Yes, so I really recommend this VN app for people who are vlogging and just started vlogging. It's really good to, you know. And I want to show you one more thing in this app. I want to have split screens. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do. We're going to pick a photo first or a video, and then we're going to import other videos and pictures as stickers, and we're going to just add them side by side. So this is how to create a split screen very, very quickly on VN. So I've added 3 of my videos, and let's play. Also, that's how to make a very quick split screen on VN. Very powerful app, guys, very powerful. I'm just going to do it the other way around now. I'm going to make it a 9:16 or a normal portrait layout. So I'm just doing it the opposite way, exactly the same thing I did, just turning it the opposite way. Like I said, if you want another very in-depth tutorial, just let me know. So that's how it looks when you do this. I feel like this app is really, really good for editing. So guys, let me know if this video was very helpful, and if you want a part 2 of the VN video editing app. Like I said, this app is so powerful, you won't even believe how powerful this app is for editing. And if you really want to learn so much more, why not just hit the subscribe button and comment down below, so that we'll definitely do a second video for you. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really enjoyed doing this video for you. Let me know, let's do intros, let's do outros, let's do several videos together with this app, and I will see you next time. Do have a lovely day.